everyone, welcome back to my channel Everything Enchanting. This year in 2022, I made a day trip to the holy city Ayodhya from Lucknow with my family. So if you are planning to visit this city of Lord Shri Ram, then keep watching this video till the end. Ayodhya, the birthplace of our Hindu deity Ram, is one of the ancient holy cities of India. Like millions of other Hindu devotees, it has been my furthest dream to visit Ayodhya for ages. Moreover, for those activists who participated in the Ram Mandir movement in the 90s, paying a visit to the Shri Ram temple located in Ayodhya is nothing but a dream come true. As a Hindu priest, an RSS cadre and a Vishwa Hindu Parishad leader, my father actively participated in the temple movement and Shila Pujan program activities in 90s with his colleagues. So you can imagine his happiness upon reaching this holy city. All thanks to my father's friend Sri Koteshwar uncle, who took some time out of his busy schedule to take us to the Lord Shri Ram temple, Shri Ram Janmabhoomi temple workshop, as well as the main grand temple construction site. Now, how to get to Ayodhya from Lucknow? From Lucknow, it will take about 2.5 hours to reach Ayodhya city by car. We booked a private car for the day trip. We started our journey around 9:30 am from Lucknow and reached Ayodhya by 12 pm. You can also travel via bus or train. There are various modes of transportation like auto rickshaw, bus or taxi for getting around in Ayodhya city. The best places that you can't miss in Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Ayodhya are Lord Ram's temple, Shri Ram Janmabhoomi temple workshop at Karsevakpuram, Kanak Bhavan, Hanuman Gari and Guptar Ghat. Presently, a grand Ram mandir is under construction and hence expect high security around the Shri Ram Janmabhoomi construction site. We parked our cars in front of the temporary shrine, which is a tent, and had to leave our phones, camera, watches, metallic materials, bags and everything in the car before entering the sacred place. Also remember, leather is not allowed here, so do not carry or wear leather bags or shoes. We felt so blessed to catch a glimpse of infant Shri Ram, Ram Lalla, Hanumanji and other deities. Even though it's a temporary base, it's nothing short of beautiful. After worshipping God and having the prasadam, we left the temple. My father, brother-in-law and I visited the construction site. The temple area is so huge. From the top, I could see the other temples of Ayodhya, the route from where the visitors can catch a glimpse of the construction site and the flag. The site tour was such a lovely and memorable experience for us. Honestly, I can't wait to see the final look of the Ram temple. The temple workshop is open to the public, therefore you must visit this place when in Ayodhya. You may ask why? Because here you will be able to see the replica of the Shri Ram temple, plus the stone slabs, marble and designer pillars, things that will be used to decor the main Ram temple. Now isn't it great? Most of these pillars and carved stone slabs from the workshop have already been moved to the Shri Ram temple construction site. I know they will look more polished and gorgeous at the grand temple. However, you will definitely feel great when you would spot them later inside the temple. That's my opinion though. I might jump with joy and scream, "Hey, I have seen these pillars, marbles and rooftop designs at the temple workshop earlier." There is a beautiful temple at the workshop. On your left side of the temple, you will see an Indian map and a wall featuring the places that Lord Shri Ram visited and spent a few days during his exile.
तमिलनाडु के एक संस्था ने दिया है तमिलनाडु से।
You will also find a large bell in front of the Ram temple replica. Photography is allowed here, hence you can take pictures without any fuss. Over 3.5 lakh Shilas with Shri Ram inscribed on them were donated in the 80s during the Ram Mandir movement and were collected by Vishwa Hindu Parishad. You can now see them at the Ram janmabhoomi NAS workshop at Karsevakpuram. In the future, these bricks will be displayed in the new Grand Shri Ram temple. We spent around 45 minutes at the workshop because there were so many things to see and absorb. Your Ayodhya trip is incomplete without paying a visit to the Ghats of the Sarayu river. It is believed that Lord Shri Ram left the earth by taking Jal Samadhi at this place. The spectacular Sarayu river views from the Ghat will surely blow your mind away. Although the river is also known for dolphins, we couldn't spot any of them. Maybe it wasn't the right season. You can also take a boat ride on this sacred river. Because of our ailing parents and my tired knees, we avoided it and decided to take in the serene views and some rest on the Ghat. When we left the Ghat, it was almost 7 p.m. Therefore, we decided to leave for Lucknow. On the way to Lucknow, we stopped by a nice restaurant for dinner and reached home around 10 p.m. During this trip, we didn't have enough time to explore Ayodhya and its nearby tourist places. Overall, our day trip from Lucknow to the land of Shri Ram, Ayodhya in 2022 was smooth, amazing and satisfying. I just wish it was the winter season and not the hot summer when we visited. Remember, winter season is the best time for Ayodhya visit. I'm planning to visit the new grand temple next year with my husband. What about you? Do you like visiting such holy religious places? Have you been to Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Ayodhya? If yes, share your experience with me in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll come up with a new video soon. Until then, stay beautiful, stay healthy.